Okay guys, the key fob won't open the Jaguar anymore. So we need to replace the battery. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to flip it over and you're going to see a little notch right here. You take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it in this notch from this direction and push there, and you want to lift up like this. When you pull it apart, you'll see there's a little tiny locking tab right there that locks into this little keyway right there. So what you're doing is you're coming in here like that, and then you're going to lift that up, and then it'll slide apart. You want to get somebody to help you because it really takes like 4 hands to do this without tearing it up. But you'll see there's a little tiny notch right there, and you want to take and lift that up right there to open that. Make you like a eyeglass screwdriver, a little precision screwdriver, and stick it in this edge right here, and we'll lift that up to open it up a little bit. Then you can get your screwdriver in right there. You're going to hold it here with your screwdriver to keep it open. Hold it right there with your screwdriver to keep it open, and then go to the other side, take this screwdriver, and you can pop this. You'll see people on YouTube just taking a screwdriver and prying it open, but they're also tearing up the plastic. And once you do that, then it'll pop right open. And see, I even mangled that a little bit, and I'm using a lot of finesse not to booger it up, and it still gets messed up. But best thing to do is take your precision screwdriver right here, pop this up, then you're going to slide this screwdriver in there to hold it open, just like that. And then you'll take this one and pop this one. What you're trying to do, you'll see there's a little tiny divot right there. You're trying to pop that out there. It's pretty straightforward. You're just going to take this screw out right there, flip it over, and then you're going to replace it with a 2023 battery. You're going to see that the first thing I noticed, we got moisture here. Okay? And that ain't good, electronics and moisture. And this is obviously, it's been rained on, it's gotten wet in my wife's purse or holding in her hands or something. But you want to clean all this up really good. And if you got some contacts that need to be cleaned up, you might want to take a pencil eraser and clean them up. But it just, place that battery and it just all snaps back together. So I don't know if you can tell the difference now. I just used some toilet paper on the end of that precision screwdriver with some toilet paper. But this was all corroded up right here and right here. And that is going to match up with these points right here, right there, right there, and right there. So you need to get them cleaned up, and any kind of corrosion, like I said, you can use a pencil eraser if you need to. So changing the battery ain't going to do a whole lot of good if it's not making good contact. But that's all there is, and it's just your standard 2032 battery, lithium.